guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be playing Penguin Paradise with the penguins again.
Stop crying, you biggie, blacky, little.
Anyways, enjoy the video. And I have this pointer right here. And I can use it to It's him. I'm gonna camp him.
I don't even there, bro. I don't even touch the gun. I literally have not touched anything yet, and I got frozen.
Hey, could you tell YouTube I said hello?
Hello, YouTube.
Hey, you.
Suey.
Hey, look behind you. Look behind you. Oh my god!
There's no motherfuckers that doesn't tag other people as small penises.
Winner!
Where are you going, boy? Where are you going? Where are you going?
How can you? How big is your boundary?
Join it back.
Yes, ma'am.
How big is your boundary?
I hit you 10 times already.
How big is your boundary?
Bro, turn around.
You fucking monkey!
It's a stationary. I hit you 10 times. It's a stationary boundary.
I hope you get a booty raped by your uncle.
For America.
Giggity! Ego broken! Giggity, you smash! You are trash! 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 You are literally trash! You are literally trash! You always are trash! Just kidding! You're not trash!
But I just won the race game. I won it. Easy.
Oh my god!
Bro, what? Little bitch!
Giggy, you smash! Do you have a giant boundary? You have a giant
No,
boundary.
it's not a big boundary. It's a stationary boundary. It's just a glitch walking.
No, you have a giant boundary.
You walk to the edge of your
Dude,
boundary.
this man is camping me because he sucks.
And do that.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about that freezer up there. No, the long hair.
Sue! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You can't be weird.
Suey! Suey!
Weird.
Oh my god.
And you like children move.
Fuck you.
Please.
Fuck you.
Bro,
Fuck
his ankles.
you.
I got his ankle 10 times. This guy got his ankle broken 10 times.
Oh my god, you done it!
Hey, he won a race. He won a race. He won a race.
Fuck
Me,
you.
3, 2, 1, go!
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Holy fuck! No! Run it back! 3, 2,
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh my god, I gotta get out of here.
It means fuck you.
and that's bad. Hey, Mushroom, I'm like shit on you, don't chase me right now.
What happened?
God damn, but you're dog shit.
I keep hitting my legs.
What happened?
No.
You're not stuck, bro. Oh, hell no.
Fuck you.
You stuck, Mushroom boy.
Stop. Fuck
That's
you.
why I said you suck.
Stop. You are
can't
trash.
tag me, I'm better.
No, I'm better than you.
I'm better.
Stop
can't get these
roasting me. Stop roasting
Mushroom
me.
boy, come tag me.
Can you stop roasting me? It's not funny at all.
Mushroom boy, come tag me.
You really think it's funny? I don't think it's funny.
Mushroom boy, come get me.
You know what would make me happy? For you to give up this dumb stuff and focus on what really matters. See, I got you. I got you. I got you.
Shut up, you Indian scammer. Your technique is very poor. That's
Oh.
scamming.
Dad.
Oh my god, you really think I can? Oh my god, look at me. Look at me. I can take you.
You're like 2 hours away.
I can take you.
You're
I can take
booty,
you.
Mushroom. I can
Oh.
literally reason. And you're being a trash camper. Like, you're not
Booty.
even a camper.
Next to the forest.
You're so booty, bruh.
We should make that
I'm
into
not a
job card.
booty! Stop calling me! Oh
Then
my
why you
god, I
camping on
fell
the
off
trash
already.
kids camp?
I keep falling. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, bro, hell no. You got your ankles broken. Only
Shut the
your
fuck
family
up,
can.
nigger.
Oh wait, I forgot you don't have any.
Shut the fuck up, nigger.
Damn, you is damn.
You
bro,
are
I
so.
can't even-
You are really roasting me.
Like, imagine being an orphan.
You know what? I'm gonna roast you now. I'm gonna roast
I'm
you
breaking
now.
all these motherfuckers' ankles, bro.
Even though your face still ugliness.
Mushroom, turn around.
You can't hide your ugliness for fun. You're so ugly. You are so
That white
ugly.
Joe is way too dry for fucking talking.
You are
Do you
so.
want to see my dance, bro? Do you want to see my dance?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, I got frozen.
You're not cool.
fuck you,
I am
Mushroom.
cool.
Holy moly.
Like shit on you, bro. Hey, white cap, you that shit
I'm
on
gonna
you,
keep
bro.
roasting you. You all have no brains.
Boss, anybody has no brain, it's you. Nobody has no parents, it's you.
Shut the fuck up.
Maybe right here.
Mushroom. Maybe
Mushroom right here.
Maybe stop trying to find maybe stop trying to find subscribers. Stop trying to find the parents. What's up, bro? You want to see my dance?
Yes, I do.
Okay, come closer
I
quick.
thought you was a towel.
Come closer quick. Get in front of me, hold on, get in front of me, quick, get in front of me. Ah, you like this dick in your mouth, boy.
That is disgusting. That is disgusting. You
What did this guy get over here? What did this guy get over here? What the hell? Bro, I can't untag anybody, bro.
Oh my god, you're so bad. You're so bad at this game. Every time you run crying to your mom.
What did you say?
Yo, you got
You're
this.
such a 5-year-old. You're such a 5-year-old rat.
Brody, get
I'm going to keep roasting you.
Get cooked is like one of the only
Roasting me? What I do, bro?
You have no
I didn't do anything. I just showed you my dance.
That's it. I'm praising you to
balls
hell.
in
I'm
your
praising you
mouth.
to hell. How do you like that? How do you like that?
What I do, bro? What do you mean roasting me? What I do? All I did
How
was
about
show
you
you my
smell
dance,
my
bro.
armpit?
All I did was show you my dance with my balls in your mouth, bro. All I did was this. Go.
I put scrambled
All I
eggs
did was this,
into
bro.
your-
You're such a poopy head, bro. You're such a poopy head. You build like queso fine.
I'll put you
To
in
you,
scrambled
bro,
eggs
it's
and
a
eat you for
bite-sized bite.
breakfast.
To you, fucking go like would marry your ass straight out of the Titanic.
I'm not a Nario. You're a Nario.
What?
You wild. You wild kid.
What, man? What,
Are you so wild?
You
You're so
fucking
wild.
Why there two people on me?
Even time you love stereos, you love to suck on them because
Behind you.
it's because you don't know what putting on water on electronics
I
is.
see, right?
Not touch you, boy.
You need to smell my armpit. Smell my armpit. I will clap your cheeks until they're purple. I will clap your cheeks until they're purple.
He's still always 250 steps ahead. Now he's 250 steps ahead.
Help me, I'm right here.
I will all cook you for scrambled eggs and eat you for breakfast.
Imagine camping and still trying and still not having parents. Doing YouTube ain't gonna help you find your parents.
All you do is sit here and roast me all day.
All you gonna help you find views, not me, not parents.
I'm
Maybe instead of trying to find something that you can do well, try to find
Mushroom, you're dog watered. I literally shit on you, bro.
I
I will literally shit on you, Mushroom.
You literally made your parents break up with each other because of how much of a disappointment that you were.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, you fat little
Hey, shut up, you fucking wanker! You fucking biscuits and tea! You fucking crocodile!
Did you just call me a crocodile?
Watch me and Beanie.
You are such a monkey.
Go down.
You're such a monkey.
Bro, Mushroom, you're so dog shit at this game, Mushroom.
Bro, I'm not even gonna kill you at this point.
And when you were born out of a and when you were born out of a vagina.
Fucking stop speaking Chinese! I need English in my life.
Bro, I speak Russian.
Spending your time.
I'm just kidding. I just
Russian?
I
Then why
just
do you
speak
have to understand Russian, buddy?
How you ain't getting no bitches?
I don't speak Chinese border hopping
Chinese?
bitch ass people.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, you fat little nigga.
Nah, you shut the fuck up. You my bitch boy. I stuck my balls in your mouth and you liked it.
How about you suck 'em? How about you suck my
I ain't got
suck
no
my
balls,
poop?
bro. All I got is peanuts down there, bro.
You suck my
foreskin's still on that bitch.
masturbation hand. You suck my masturbation.
Nigga, you masturbate.
pointer.
You suck your own dick because you have no girlfriend. Shut the fuck up.
You're acting just like Lucas. You're acting
Nigga,
just
you
like
feel
Lucas.
like the Titanic. That's why your bitch ass sank in the sea because you so fucking fat. Even though there's all that fucking salt in there.
You have to find them on the internet, then you rather
That's why you fucking fat, nigga.
That's it. I'm muting you.
Get a job. Find your
Yeah, mute me because you a pussy. Yeah.
What did you just call me? A pussy.
I said right.
You're a pussy. You are a pussy. You are.
I mean, sure, you want to play this?
I can't hear you. What did you say? What did you? Oh boy, I hate you. I hate you so much. I'm killing you now. How do you like it? Dickhole.
Yeah,
And I'm going at this game, so yeah, you suck my balls. I put my balls in your mommy last night, boy.
No. Shut up. Ugly new.
That's why.
Ugly
own thing, bro. I'm gonna do my own thing.
No, I'm camping you now. I'm camping you now. How do you feel about it?
I'm not gonna attack anybody.
Okay.
I swear to God, I'm going to tell my friends. I'm going to tell my friends.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna see if Mark's gonna win the game with Sonic. I'm gonna see if he's gonna do anything.
Crap, my friends are not offline right now. My craps are not. My friends are not offline right now. Great, I got kicked.
Alright.
He left, bro. No, man, he didn't leave. He's a little bitch.
How about you are a little bitch? You are a little bitch. You stuck your mom.
That is on me. You didn't mute me.
That's
You mute me, bro. Shut
You
your little
guys are mean. I'm going to report.
Millionaire still ride with the Draco. Court side of the game, put my got my name.
Oh yeah, put that Draco. Why?
Let's not kill you. Let go.
I don't even know where the fuck am I. No! Those stupid dickholes. And also, you are a dickhole. You are such a dickhole. Everybody's a dickhole. Everybody's a dickhole. You are so fucking.
short game.
No, that's a not very nice, right?
You are all fucking roasters.
Hey, buddy boy.
Bro, who's saying that?
I am. And even you are, especially you are a roaster. You are a roaster. You are a roaster. All of us are roasters.
You know what? You shut up, you big ass fucking nigga. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do?
Press 2 so it could start.
Did
Yeah,
you
press
just-
2.
How about you shut the fuck
Yeah.
up?
Yes, we can look. We could one. Partner, man. Let's go. 13. 11.
I'm gonna hit you with a
No,
moon.
count down, boy.
Yeah.
You big ass bunny. You fat ass bunny. You're such a fat ass bunny.
Hey, guys, we're...
Suck a dick.
Yeah, why
Hello,
you not going after
I'm
me?
gonna tip you all.
Okay, buddy boy.
I'm
I
gonna
didn't
tip you all.
I didn't mean it like that.
Yeah, why you not going after me?
Exactly.
You're such a
You want to
bad
see
guy.
the like the server?
Hey, buddy,
do you
want
want
to
to
cook?
Oh, he's cooking. Food.
That's it. If you hop on me one more time, I'm going.
I'm gonna hit something.
Yeah, you're not even going after me because you're scared.
Bro, why didn't he unfreeze me, bro?
I'm gonna camp you now.
How
How does it feel to be camped?
Yeah.
Shit.
I'm actually about to crash out.
At least we got money.
No, I'm gonna camp
not
you
money.
now.
I get
I'm
money.
gonna
I'ma
camp
stop.
you now.
Stop. Bro, quit camping. Why you always lying?
I'm gonna camp you now.
Get up there.
I'm gonna camp you now. How do you feel? I'm
Bro,
gonna
I get Rose.
report me. Just report me already.
Bro, why is like everyone not talking?
Is this a
Because we're not
penguin
talking.
game?
I don't like to talk.
You know what? I'm gonna just put on some music since it's quiet.
I'm a chimpanzee.
You
So
like
no one
to
unfreeze
roast
me,
me?
okay?
Well, I want to roast you.
Buddy, I said no one to
Badass
unfreeze me.
Oh!
Bro, get me,
Hey,
bro.
bro, buddy, somebody is hard.
Ha! Huh, real legend.
Freak are you doing? Bro!
Huh, real legend.
Swear
It's
to
real
God.
legend. I'm
Bro,
going.
are
I'm
you-
going.
why are you
I'm
not-
going to roast you. I'm going
Why
to you
him?
now.
Are you monkey?
You're a monkey. You're such a
Yes, so thank you.
stupid ass bunny.
No. No, bro, stop chasing me.
I'm going to keep chasing you until
Are
you
you
stop
serious?
roasting me.
Scenario.
Oh my god.
You should see me. Oh my God, cook. Oh, Kenny.
Well, Emmy is actually
Let me
cooking. I
on,
cannot
bro.
get him.
And me, bro.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. And sorry for the swearing. Sorry that I was swearing
Hello.
in there.
Hello.
I love eating
Especially the
lizards.
N-word. Enjoy and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Go lizard.